Okay, writers, the other day you were asked to write 3 sentences to tell me about your weekend. So some of you wrote things like this: I went to the park. Then you said, I watched a movie. And then you wrote, I ate pizza. So basically, you wrote 3 teeny tiny sentences so that you could meet the goal, but you did not push yourself to think more or to write more. And so today you are going to be invited to push yourself to do more than what you did. So if I am writing, I can ask myself some questions. I can ask myself who, what, when, where, why. I can even ask myself how. And I can use these questions to push myself to write more. So let's think about this first sentence. I went to the park. I could ask myself, who did I go to the park with? Or where? What park did I go to? I could even ask myself when. I can use these questions to write more sentences. So let's see. I went to the park. Now I might ask myself who. So I could say my cousin, Sarah, came too. And then I could look at the sentence where. And I could say we went to Miller Park. So using these questions helped me to come up with additional sentences. So let's look at the next sentence. I watched a movie. So again, I could ask myself some questions. So I could ask myself, well, what movie did I watch? And even maybe who was in the movie or who did I watch the movie with? So let's see. I watched a movie. It was called Hocus Pocus. I watched it with Sarah. Looks like I spent the whole weekend with Sarah. All right. So now using these questions, I've added additional information to my writing. So let's look at this last one. I ate pizza. Well, I could think of why. Why did I eat pizza? Or I might consider where did we get the pizza from? Or I could think about what kind of pizza was it. So let's think. I ate pizza. It was cheese and what else was on my pizza? Cheese and peppers with mushrooms and onions, because I know you guys like pizza like that. Okay. So I ate pizza. It was cheese and peppers with mushrooms and onions. Delicious. We ate it while we were watching the movie. Movie. So I started off, let's look at what I did. I started off with my 3 sentences. Let me use another color here. I started off with my 3 original sentences. That's what I started off with. Then I asked myself, who, what, when, where, why, and how to write additional sentences. And all of those sentences gave more detail. So this is your invitation. Your goal is to write about your week, and to do that by adding detailed sentences to what you're writing.